Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It's Efren the Marketer. If you don't know, we upload new videos every Monday and Thursday, but we're currently at our client's office where I'm gonna do a small workshop about video marketing, which I think you'll really enjoy to help you make money and capitalize off your leads. If you don't have lighting production, you wanna use the most powerful light there is, which is the sun. So always face the opposite. Also, fun fact, if you're trying to convert, you're trying to boost it for an advertisement on social media or anything like that, if you show your eyeballs in the video, so if you have sunglasses, it tends to convert better if you actually show your eyes. So don't wear sunglasses or anything like that, and it converts up to 20% better on some cases. To be honest, iMovie does a job. Like, you don't even have to go and buy anything. To be honest, that's how I started, is this. Before I could hire the video team, I used to do my own video editing, my own video shooting and all that. So I'll go more into that at the end because part of my business is mostly me creating content. I was looking right now before we got here, about $800,000 is from me uploading content and then someone calling, we track it. How to send it in direct mail. My video is ranking #1, it has over 800,000 views. And we probably make around $25,000 to $5,000 in sales. And this video was uploaded in 2019 or 18. So just like real estate, the more you upload, the more you'll benefit down the road. Personal page, you're gonna reach more people organically versus if you have a business page on Facebook or even Instagram, because the way that Instagram and Facebook make their money is by you running advertisements. So if you have a personal page, I strongly think it's good, but also if you have a business, you should have a business page as well.
Now, can you ever build your following on your personal and then eventually change it to business, or will you automatically lose your followers?
I personally go by Efren the Marketer on the internet. And the reason why, right, is because they need to know that I'm a marketer as well. So I push a lot of videos myself. I upload every Monday and Thursday on YouTube. I try to go for content that stays on the internet. Something like Snapchat or Instagram stories, those things disappear and it's just more and more work. You're never going to start building that library of content where people can find you. Plus, YouTube is something that I strongly believe in because a video from 2018 is still producing for us, right? The more I upload every Monday and Thursday, well, guess what that is? More people finding who we are. And those videos don't have to be super high production when you're going for leads. You just have to give a good message, like a good value in the video. Have you guys ever heard, not the song, but have you heard of Toma? T-O-M-A? No, that's not it. So Toma is actually abbreviated top of mind awareness. So when I say, hey, what's your favorite pizza? And you say Papa John's, right? They're paying for that. Same thing with you. Have you seen that meme where it goes, oh, I hate my friend, them knowing I'm a realtor, but then they go with somebody random? It's because you guys aren't posting enough. They're not seeing the process. They're not emotionally connecting with you. Like, oh, George just saw that this person is having a hard time getting approved, but he posted how he got him approved. Going from all the way from the beginning to the end and being able to document that is gonna be money in the bank. So I'm pretty sure everyone's here because they want to get more leads to get more money.
Is there more value in small videos that outline issues and situations to build your brand as kind of an expert, or is there more value in the properties that we're either selling or that we're previewing? Like, what would you say is a better trade-off?
It has to be equally all across the board, because if you post properties, no one's really going to be interactive with you on the social part of social media, which is a big part of social media, right? Emotionally connecting with the client. I met somebody, I went to a conference and this guy goes, hey, what's up, man? Why are you always winning? Because I'm always just kind of posting my winnings. And then he's like, why are you always winning? Hey, anyways, I need a website, but you want to go gambling later? And I didn't know this person, right? They're just relating because they like to go and play poker or they like to go and do that. We're going to edit certain parts out, but the topic is video marketing. And we already have a list. We try to stay on track. Next Thursday, I have to talk or train somebody about email marketing, and it's part of I'll be like, oh, this is a good piece to do a piece of content on. So I do map out. But when it comes to Instagram and all those stuff that's gonna disappear, no. Yeah, it's actually good to be everywhere, but I'll give you guys a really good tip. Have you noticed some of these business pages start off the day with the question? The algorithm picks up on how they're gonna show the rest of your content to your followers.
Because you hear it from me, but I want you to hear it from him. On what?
To be
no, but you know what? These are the. This is what I want to get to.
I like it.
Like, let's get to the root. Let's get to the root of it. What's preventing you from like? We'll start with you. You don't like your voice.
I hate my voice, and I know that in video sounds even worse. It's kind of like
Why? I mean, at the end of the day, you just got to go in with I don't care. I challenge you guys to leave and try to get a lead from social media. And when you get that check, be like, oh shit, this is what fuck my voice, you know, like, oh shit, me not posting is literally costing me 15 grand. I just think you guys haven't seen that first check that came directly from Instagram, because, you know, you go to a casino, you put $100 and you get 200, what do? You're like, oh, well, let me put them back 200, but let me play this $5 machine. I'm gonna try to make more, right? Obviously, this is a safer route, and you can see that return. This is shot on my phone. I don't even use my own video, guys, sometimes, right? Check this out. So we have 372 thumbs up, 59,000 views, 77 comments, and this is what he's saying. We're getting 2 leads a week, producing up to $5,000 in just direct mail. Sometimes you overthink the content, and it's the worst thing you can do. It's just like an artist. You're gonna overthink your song. You can be the great next, you know, Drake or whatever it is, but if you don't never release it, no one's gonna know. I just release. If it gets 10 views, I don't care. All right, guys, so we just wrapped that up. It was actually really fun. I like going more of the FAQ route than having a presentation. When I have a presentation, I tend to not get on track, or I feel like there's important information that I need to share. But let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. See you next video.